All right, man. Welcome to the daily money market. My name is Che Yusuf. It is a one-day trade analysis. One-day trade analysis. So we are just trying to, check it out in the market and see where the market is going. At the moment, Nikkei is sitting at 39,646. Kospa is 2,547 on a bullish movement. 1.5% growth. FTSE 100, which is UK 100, 8,573, 24.8, 0.29% growth. COC 40, which is France 40, 7,808, moving with the 0.49% growth. DAX, German 30, sitting moving also up in the bullish movement. Nasdaq 19,756, S&P 500 6,049, Dow Jones 44,025. All of them, it's 1.25% growth in Dow Jones, 0.88% in S&P 500, and 0.64% in NAS 100. So that's clearly how the market is looking in terms of the price on the stock market at the moment in the Euro stock exchange, because right now we are in a playing a ground or play around on a Euro session. We are Euro session open at the moment. So what we want to do is just to go in the market, check it out what's going on in the market, have a little bit of small analyzing, analysis, and see if the market is going to favor us by the end of the day. Please don't forget the biggest news that we have today. It's Madam Jessie Lagarde is speaking. European Central Bank President Madam Jessie is actually speaking today. Around. Let me check it out. Specific time. It's around 5:15, 5:15, quarter past 5 South African time here in Johannesburg. It'll be quarter past 5. So that's the biggest one. So we're anticipating the euro dollar to have high volume, high movement, and as well as all correlated instrument to the euro, and as well as the Great British Pounds itself, GBP, to have a high movement as well. So yeah, man, you're with me. My name is Che Yusuf. Don't forget, guys, keep subscribing if you love this analysis. Keep again, like and share, but most important, subscribe. It's for free, guys. For my heart, you don't pay for subscribe. Come on. All right, let's jump in the market and see how the market are performing at particular time. All right, what's going on here? Okay. Maybe it'll pop up. Yeah, here we go. 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 All right. All right. Right now, what are we looking at? We are looking at US data Dow Jones. As we said, it's sitting at 44,131. 44,131. I mean, we spoke about it to past videos. You can just go and check it out. The videos for this week or last week, we talk about when Trump comes in, we are expecting the bullish movement in terms of the stock and as well as indices as well to have a little bit of bullish, as well as the dollar index. That means the dollar is going to gain a little bit of momentum. But that's not the case at the moment. If we look on gold, if we have to save heaven with the gold or to compare a index, a dollar index with a gold, we might have to see a different results. But for now, we are looking at S&P 500. If we go to a bigger time frame, S&P 500 have been preaching that it moves slight below than US 30 and as well as NAS 100. So look at it. Look where S&P 500 is going. I don't see any type of return or coming back from this position. There's a little bit of gap somewhere around there, but I think S&P 500, Dow Jones, is it Dow? US 30 is going to 45,000. 45,000, it's the highest, the biggest target that we are actually, anticipating at the moment. So couple of couple bullish moves that are there. Even when we go to small time frame, bigger time frame, clearly it shows us that the market, it has set up to go all the way to 45,000. But there's a 44,900, 44,700. Those are positions that we can set it up ourselves and to make money out of it. NAS 100, the same thing, sitting at 21,753. We said it's 0.64% growth in terms of growing in a price index in the market. Where exactly is going NAS 100? It's a bullish time. It's a Trump trade. We are rolling. We are moving all the way in a bullish movement. All right. So the market is sitting at 22,154. Okay. Okay. Just hold on here. Okay, so we're looking at NAS 100, right? NAS 100. We're anticipating to go to 22,159. That's a move. It will bullish all the way to 22,159, and that's a couple of percentage that you can actually take advantage and make something out of it. If we move to S&P 500, put it in a bigger time frame, where S&P is going, it want to get to 6,087. I think it's going to break the record and get into 7,000 for very first time in January. That would be the new S&P 500 new records that we are seeing. UK 100, FTSE 100. We saw it again growing in terms of FTSE 100. What will be the really movement of today? Remember, there's Madam Jesse speaking today as well. I think the bullish movement is continuing with the FTSE 100. That's same as German 30. Looking at German 30. All right. So German 30 is 21,257. If we go even to a weekly, I think the market has been really a bullish movement. Maybe a German 30 can do a little bit of a reversal. If we go, let's see if we go to, maybe it can do a little bit of reversal to 21,127, because not that much in terms of activities when it comes to Germany. But again, it will have the movement because of the ECB, Madam President Jesse speaking this week. So definitely a pushback all the way to 21,127, maybe to 21,050 when it comes to German 30. Most interesting is gold. We're anticipating or expecting gold to start depreciating, but what do we realize? We've seen gold bullishing to 2,750, 2,752. Where exactly gold is going? Remember, we say that it's supposed to be the safe haven of a dollar, but it's not a safe haven of, it is a safe haven of a dollar, but it's not performing as a safe haven of a dollar. So I think at the moment, maybe gold wanted to reach this level, but we're going to keep monitoring gold. Here it is, to 27,601. 27,601. I think it's going to go all the way to 27,088, a bullish movement before it starts actually decline. Bitcoin yesterday pushed back all the way to 100,000. Remember, it was getting to 103, 104, 108,000. It pushed back to 101,000. That was yesterday, but again, it goes all the way up and sitting right now at 105,000. Again, we're really anticipating Bitcoin is not going to come back. It will continue bullishing to get to 110, 120, all the way to 130. By the end of the week, by the end of the month, it will be really far when it comes to gold. USD JPY, couple of small trades there that you can, if you swing, if you do small trades, you can see double top or triple top. I think it will bearish pushes to 154,796, 154,796. That's when it comes to USD Japanese yen. United States dollar versus rand versus the ZAR. Again, sitting at 1849, the ZAR having a little bit of strength, the dollar losing a little bit of momentum. We saw yesterday the governor Lisesha speaking, at Davos. Is part of the Davos meeting that is happening. I think it's happening in Norway. Yeah, I think it's happening in Norway at the moment. I can see the Sanchez need more affordable housing, fewer air bans. So everything Davos is one of the economic meeting that happened in the beginning of the year, and all the economic leaders, the governors of the countries in terms of the Reserve Bank, the finance ministers, the presidents, and so on, they'll be there discussing. So it started yesterday, and it's a 3-day event. It will go all the way until tomorrow when it comes to Davos. So these are some of the trades that you can actually capitalize and took those trades, and actually make something out of it from the trading platform, right? So that's all we wanted to share with you guys. It's just a quick analysis, seeing how the market is looking at the moment. But at particular time, we are looking at the bullish movement. But all correlated instruments to a dollar at the moment, I think they all have a little bit of bearish, because the dollar hasn't get yet the strength and the stability to push the price up. I think right now what are we seeing is the bond market to have a little bit of strength, stock market to have a little bit of strength, as well as the indices to have a little bit of strength because of Donald Trump. Again, the reason why the indices, they have a little bit of strength, remember the indices, they're a combination of different companies registered under one indices and traded at the stock exchange. Most of the indices like NAS 100, there are over 100 technology companies listed there, including Tesla, including Apple, Facebook, Intel, MBA, and all those technology companies. And if you've been paying attention in terms of technology and why inauguration of Donald Trump, you realize all the CEOs of all those tech, they were there favoring the president-elect Donald Trump. So definitely that gives a little bit of bullish movement when it comes to NAS 100, when it comes to S&P 500, and as well as when it comes to US 30, which is the house of Dow Jones. So all right, man, thank you very much for watching. Please watch again if you didn't watch this video. Analyze the market, check how I'm analyzing the market, and see where you can be able to take advantage. Thank you very much for actually watching. My name is Che Yusuf. You were with us. It is the Daily Money Market. We'll catch up later. Thank you.